Hello, today we're going to play Junkbot. I need to type in Mr. Flimflam to see how many. I want to join his group, so yeah. I know I've been trying to add him. I realize he has. Oh, I'm following him. Glitter, glitter, hi, hi. Nice. Die. Good. Junkbot. Join group. Alright, with yourself. Now where's the Junkbot game? Pro Rapper. Wow, that dude changed his skin. Albert. Tempress. Gauze. Speedy. I am a friend. Pro Rapper. Hey, glad I joined this group. Junkbot trade. I get. Let me just continue scrolling where this is. I am ready to be a Junkbot. I've never been a YouTuber, but yeah. Hey, why won't you let me play? Am I not allowed here? Am I not allowed in the game anymore? I just stopped as a Junkbot. Kill non-Junkbots. Why won't it let me? This is broken. What is Roblox doing? Clickety. I hop till no one pops. And then when you hop, everybody pops. Upgrade. Roblox. Okay, well, I'm going to waste my rap chance because when it's my time to rap, I'm going to reset. So yeah. I can't play no games. Fine. Fine, no RPG. Roblox lets you play, create, and be anything you can imagine.
Patay mo muna electric fan.
Okay.
Doon ka sa, doon, ganun ang tinapay. Doon. Sa salas, gusto mo electric fan doon.
Don't mind that. That's just. You know what? Don't mind that. Wait. Also, I have a question. When should I do my age reveal? I bet you guys are older than me. I'm young. I'm very young. I'm not like I'm not like 4. I'm not 4. I'm not 5. I'm not 6. I'm not 7. I'm not 9. I'm not 10. Installing Lil Nas X concert. Millions of worlds. Anything, I can't be anything I want, I can. It costs Robux. I really want to be a bunny. I'm gonna go ask my friends if we can play junk bot. Wow, wow. I live. Roblox. Let's play auto rap battles. Just like I will say, give oil, metal noises, kill non-junk bots. If I rap with a junk bot, I don't know. Make some noise for your favorite rapper. Bacon Man. Bacon Man. Bacon Man. Hello, my dude. Hi, we are best friends, right? Give oil. Kill non-junk bots. Kill non-junk bots. Kill non-junk bots. Kill non-junk bots. Give oil. I wish Flamingo raided this place. people's blood like a vampire. And you're the only bleak on fire. Bleak boy. If she's a vampire, why is she my wife? None of that are junk bots. Not. Give oil. 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 I say the dream couples Felipe and Alberto. Back. Hey, have you seen Felipe and Albert Tag? I've seen every video. Flamenco. Kill non-junk bot. Kill non-junk bots. So before I post the video, I'm gonna name this. And remember, kids, give junk bots oil. And dress up as a junk bot. Sure, let the world know who you live. Right. Okay, I get. I'm scared. I'm scared. Give oil. Kill non-junk bot. Kill non-junk bot. Kill non-junk bot. What's that? You want oil? All I hear is your loud coil. What's that? You want oil? All I hear is your loud coil. If you hear me loud, you get boiled. If you hear me loud, you get boiled. Give oil. You get boiled. Boiled. And what is that? You Slender Man? And what is that? You Slender Man? Sorry, can't hear you. I'm shaking right now. Are you a robot? You best. Do robots fart? Let the devils summon you to mega hell. Let the devil summon you to mega hell. When you get burned, you say, ah! You say, ah! I don't care if I lose. I don't care if I lose. What? What the? Why are we here? Is it broken? This just got serious round 3. Seriously, I'm shaking. Why am I here then? When you went on a mall. You went on a mall. No. You went on a mall. You fell on a rock. You fell on a rock. You got to the mall. You got the call. You got a call. You got to the mall. You got a call. You got arrested for being a demon. GG if you win. GG if you win. Wait, what? I won? Oh my god! Jump! You're the demon. I just voted you last round. I just voted you last round because Jackbot and Bacon and Chill Faces wins. I mean, look at this man. He beautiful. Hey, beautiful. I vote Bacon. Me vote Bacon. Me vote Bacon. Don't blame yourself. It's the end of the world. When it's the fell. Oh, nice hat. Hey guys, do you like? Hey guys, do you like eating houses? Well, me too. Subscribe if you eat houses. Happy, long nose, happy face, long nose, happy face. Oil. All I want is oil. All I want them oil. JK. Somebody disrespected me. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Right there? Just Roblox right there. Get her! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, where'd she go? Where'd she go? She's dead. Food bacon instead. Instead, she disrespected my junk bot. Junk bot friend. Vote bacon instead. She disrespected my junk bot friend. Official, official Bacon King. What are you doing here? You're just wasting years for Robux. Oh, nice. Ah! One like. One like. It has some stairs. I see they removed it and covered it with the stages, I guess. Okay. Nice. Vote bacon. Is that true, Wire? I rule you. Your family is in my control. I'll eat you up like a trashy troll. Oh, nice, Mark. Nice. Respect. Respect, junk bots. I got bars, but it's old. I think my rap's gonna be my rap. Whoever has Roblox, please, junk bot, how to rap. You roast them in the face. You roast them in the face. You roast them in the face. You let them burn. You let them burn. You let them burn to death. You sound like a flat football. Oh hi, Hey, if he is a flat football, why is he not flat then, huh? Okay. Oh God, my rap chance just got off. Now it's 12. Hi, guy boy. We shall raid. So after this video, I'm gonna tell my friends, Roblox, especially you guys, to dress up as this. You can keep your hair right now. You can keep your hair. Just dress up as this junk bot. Dress up as junk bot or die. Give oil. Just kidding, you guys won't die. You're wasting money for Robux. You flexing Robux. Bacon Man. Oh man, I can't pick. Yay, Bacon Man. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Rubber thing. Zack Attack, the real one. Blue oil, so you get both. I don't know. Why you like to cap? How is that fun? The beast is out.
Ano, gusto mo na kapagayin mo?
Yeah. No.
Ha?
No. Yeah, when you hear that sound, that's my mom. Why you like to cap him? Why you like to cap? How's that fun? The beast is out. I think I'm a mistake that you can be undone. My words do more damage than anything iron need to bring a gun. But you're too fat. Yeah, this is gonna be my nice hat. Have a cat, but you're too fat. I'm going drunk, but come on, please. I will give you your bars so old. I think I see some more. You gotta be like me, bars made of ice. Gold. Everyone knows me as the god of auto rap. Everyone knows you of the god of drama and straight cap. What do you mean you're the god of raps? Real roses are reddies. Real roses is the rap of gods. Do you not know her? You can't fool me. Okay, when it puts the green, that means I'm good. When it puts the yellow, it means I'm sad. No, I'm crazy. I don't know. And then when it's red, I'm angry. Yeah. Hot junk bot. I love bears. So do I. Make some noise for your favorite rapper. Bacon Man, friendly Bacon Man. Oh, just got serious round tree. Nice hat, have a cat, but you're too fat. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Nice hat, have a cat, but you're too fat. Ah, that was trash. Should I do a part 2 of being a junk bot? Yung do, I got y'all next time I'm up though. You. Is he typing you? You? BTS and Blackpink. I don't know why I was a pink bratty girl in the past, but everything changes when I grow up. Let me see. Show some love for a favorite rapper. Werewolf Boy. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I am scared. I am scared. Oh, yes. Thank you. Go, Junkbot. Go, Junkbot. Go, Junkbot. I really want Flamingo to read this place. And real cars and all you guys trash cars. Oh no. What happened to her? Guys, look, a new statue. Junkbot. Good.
You going to study again?
I'm not ready. Hey, let me do that.
Ano ang study natin? Gawin mo yung dito sa tindahan. Kala ko tapos na. Tapos. Sa tindahan. Scissor.
Robots don't eat cheese. They get oil. With extra oil on the side. Junkbot. Give oil. Jewel fell off the balcony when she saw you. Said that you will be begging on your knees. Vote your rapper, yo. Please, please. Yes! Bacon! I mean, Junkbot wins. Oh my god, that scared me. How much does it cost? Oh god, 24%. I'm out of here. I'm a Junkbot. I was made by Flamingo. Me too. I was made by Flamingo. We got an army. We can slice ya. Yes. You are my army. You are my Okay, boys. 4, 4, 4. 4. Die, roast. I'm a roasting my girl. You and my girl. Real. I'm just pranking. Get sliced. Get sliced. You unholy diamond hole. Good. Good. Okay, junk bots. You know what we need to do? Vote junk bots. If there are no junk bots, that means we don't vote no one. We only vote bacon. You remind me of Walmart. Wait, how is he Walmart? He's not a building. Robots have bazooka. Robots have bazookas. Chainsaws. Bacon man, friendly bacon man. Boy, you crack me up. Oh, boy. Sorry, man, I don't eat eggs. Well, sorry, Crystal. Nah. Well, sorry, Diamond. I can't spell. I can spell or see your name. Well, sorry, Diamond. I can't spell or see your name. Show some love for your favorite rapper. Bacon man, friendly bacon man. No! Uh-oh. Ew. Oh, nice cat. Have a cat. But you look too... Hi, old royal. Wait, what? Is me and her rapping against trying to find my little soft spot? No, I'm trying to look for oil spots. Nah. Bacon man. This is where we roast you. Oh, nice hat. Have a... you look too fat. This is a game where we roast you to burn. This is a game where we roast you to burn in hell. You boil, you don't get a coil. Yes, Gable, you're back. Sorry, I don't read tags. Sorry, I don't say what you want. Sorry, I don't read tags, you dummy. Say what you want. Man, sorry, I don't read tags. Trying to say tags. But what about you say fags? Trying to say tags, but say fags. Go to hell. Go to hell. You're fat. Give me. Junk bot always win. 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 People say copy and paste because I'm a tryhard. I'm toxic. Heard that. Heard. I vote for Gamer Bash. People say I copy and paste. I'm a tryhard. Plus I'm toxic. Remember when I was on the ground? I I did I really get tagged for one? Vote Gamer Bash. Vote Gamer Bash. Okay. Here we go again. Well, that's fine. I've learned lessons from others. Being mean is good. When I look you in Roblox, I would tag. Zach attack the real one. You have none friend. No. Will I Pokemon you were started? I'm a legendary, no one knows you because your face how scary, crusty lips, ugly face, we gone, hard to fix it.
Tagal mong kumain ha, mamaya magtatanghalian na. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa na ubus ang tinapay mo.
Well, oh my god, my mom gets over sometimes. On YouTube. Saw you last week driving a taxi cab. You're spitting out fire. No, he's spitting. Go your rapper, yo. I vote for my man. Yes.
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will be